Good morning, students. Today I'll teach you lesson 7, festivals and celebration. Festivals are fun. Festivals are the special occasions of celebrations. India is a land of festivals. Most of the festivals in India are associated with religions. They teach us to embrace one another in a bond of love. Festivals bring joy and happiness. They make our life colorful. So today we are going to study about festivals. Festivals are special occasions of celebration, and India is known as the land of festivals. Why? Because lot of festivals are celebrated in our country, and these festivals are associated with different religions. Religions means Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Christians. So all the different religions have their own festivals to celebrate. They teach us to embrace one another in a bond of love. And what do we learn from these festivals? We learn to embrace one another. एक दूसरे से मिल के रहना, एक दूसरे को गले लगाना in a bond of love. Festivals bring joy and happiness. They make our life colorful. Festivals, what do they bring? They bring joy and happiness. How joy and happiness? Because we all celebrate together. We come close to each other. We celebrate all the happiness of the festival together. Celebrations in the family and neighborhood. We love to celebrate these special days with our family, neighbors, and friends. On these occasions, people wear new clothes and greet each other. These celebration brings happiness in the family and neighborhood. So, we love to celebrate these special occasions with our family, with our neighbors and friends. And on these occasions, on such special occasions, on festivals, we wear new clothes and we greet each other. Celebration brings happiness and togetherness in our family and neighborhood. It brings the sense of oneness, that we all are one, because we involve in each other's festival. Now we will study about different festivals. First one is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. People decorate their houses with candles and diyas. On this day, gifts and sweets are also exchanged. So Diwali is the festival of lights. Why it is called the festival of light? Because people decorate their house with candles and diyas. And on this day, they also exchange gifts and sweets. They give each other gifts and sweets. This is how they show their love for their near and dear ones. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. People splash colored water. Once again, people splash colored water and throw gulal at each other. They enjoy together and embrace each other on this day. So see, all these friends are playing Holi and they are splashing on each other colored water. See, this is Pichkari and this boy is throwing colored water on his friend, and they are also playing with gulal. They all are enjoying it together and embrace each other on this day. और सबसे गले मिलते हैं. Now we'll Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated after the holy month of Ramadan. Muslims go to mosque for offering prayers. They embrace each other and say Eid Mubarak. So, what do Muslims celebrate? They celebrate Eid. When is Eid celebrated? It is celebrated after the holy month of Ramadan. Presently also, the month going on. अभी रमदान का महीना चल रहा है. Muslims go to mosque for offering prayers. Where do Muslims go to offer their prayer? To the mosque. Mosque means masjid. And on Eid they embrace each other and say Eid Mubarak. एक दूसरे से गले मिलके एक दूसरे को कहते हैं ईद मुबारक. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. It is most important festival of Christians. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. All the houses and churches are lit up and decorated beautifully. Children wait for the surprise gifts from Santa Claus. See, he is a Santa Claus. This is a Christmas tree. Santa Claus is having a bag full of gifts, and this is a church. So when is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. And it is an important festival of the Christians. Why this day is celebrated? Because this day marks the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. And they decorate their houses and churches beautifully. They light up everything. And little children, they wait for their surprise gifts from Santa Claus. It is said that Santa Claus comes on Christmas and he has a bag full of gifts and he gives them to the children. Gurpurab. Gurpurab is an important festival of Sikhs. It is celebrated on the birthday of 10th Sikh Gurus. People go to Gurudwara to offer prayers. Processions are taken out and langars are arranged. We celebrate all these festivals with great joy and enthusiasm. So, Sikh, they celebrate Gurpurab. What is Gurpurab? It is the birthday of their 10th Sikh Guru. They go to Gurudwara on that day to offer prayer. They also take out processions and it is also called Prabhat Sehri. And they also arrange for langars. Langars is Guru ka prasad. We celebrate all these festivals with great joy and enthusiasm. Sorry, the processions are called Prabhat Feri, not Prahari. It was my mistake, sorry. So they take out processions and arrange for langars. We celebrate all these festivals with great joy and enthusiasm. So all these festivals, we enjoy it together and we are full of zeal and enthusiasm. Now we'll learn something very important. The Independence Day. When is Independence Day celebrated? 15th August. It is called Independence Day. Why? Because India got her freedom from the Britishers. Then the Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January. And the Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. These three festivals are called the national festivals. And these three festivals are celebrated by everyone and it is celebrated all over the country. What do you do on these festivals? What do you do on Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti? So you will tell me when you come back to school. So now let us revise the chapter. Festivals are special occasions of celebrations. Diwali is the festival of lights. Holi is the festival of colors. Eid is celebrated by Muslims. Gurpurab is celebrated on the birthdays of 10th Sikh Gurus. Christmas is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Please read the lesson. And I will also send you the back exercise of this lesson. You will complete the back exercise in your reader book. Thank you.